Everyone, for math today, you are going to be making a line plot. Now you have one choice to print out the worksheet I provided, and you can do that, but if it's not easy for you to print at home, then you can also make your own line plot with items around your house. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. You will need a ruler. I made a ruler because I didn't have one. You can make a ruler by making the same increment along the whole way. So I used a paper clip. And this is one paper clip, two paper clips, three paper clips, four paper clips. So my unit technically is paper clips, but as long as they're the same distance apart, you can use anything to make a ruler. You'll also need some things to measure. So I'm going to be measuring writing utensils. I have pencils and pens and markers, all kinds of different writing utensils. So make sure you gather up about 10 to 15 items that you can plot on your line plot. Now, to make a line plot, it's actually pretty easy to set up. All you have to do is make a line. Line plot, pretty cool. So I'm going to title my line plot here at the top. I'm going to call it Writing Utensil Length. And then titles give the viewer an idea of what we are going to be plotting on the line plot. So in order to figure out where I'm supposed to start, I need to find my shortest utensil and measure that, because that'll be the starting length. So I'm going to dump these out. Oh yeah, this one is definitely the shortest. Look how little that one is. Little guy. So I'm going to measure him with my handy dandy ruler. Looks like, okay, 3.5. Now, usually we'd say 3.5 inches, but since I measured in paper clips, mine will technically be 3.5 paper clips. But I'm just gonna write 3.5, and then I'll put an X above that. You might remember when we did the penny slide, when you took your penny and whipped it across the ruler to see how far it went. We also did line plots when we were learning that. So now that I have my starting length, I'll go up every 1/2 inch, or half paper clip in my case. All right. We'll go to 7 for now. If I have to add more lengths, I can. So now that I've measured one item, I need to choose something else to measure. So here I have blue marker. Blue marker is 4.5 paper clips long. So I'll take my 4.5 and I'll mark an X. Next up, sharpened pencil. Let's see. Starting at the beginning, goes up, ooh, about 5. Nice. Next up, unsharpened pencil. I have a lot of different writing utensils here. Don't ask me why. Whoa, that one's pretty long. That one goes about to 6. It's a big guy. All right, how about pen? Measuring approximately 4.5, about halfway between the 4 and 5. So another one for 4.5. All right, I'll do one more for you. Ooh, that one's tricky. It could be 4, could be 4.5. I think it's a little bit closer to 4.5. So I'm gonna mark another one for 4.5, okay? You should do this for about 10 to 15 items, marking your line plot, and then you can ask questions to someone else around your house and say something like, which length of a writing utensil is the most popular? And by looking at the line plot, they should be able to say, whoa, 4.5 is the most popular. So you can come up with some different questions to ask them. All right? Have fun making your line plot, and I'm excited to see what you use to measure.